Welcome to Pipeliner CRM mobile app training on the dashboard's pipeline overview. When you get to the dashboard menu, simply swipe up until you get to the card called the Pipeline Overview. At this point, you get the high-level overview, how many deals are in your pipeline versus how many are won or how many are already lost. But if you click in the middle of this card, you can see some more details. I can see the details of how many opportunities are in stage 1 or stage 2 or any of the stages of my sales process, and how many have already been won, and what are the values of all of those deals. Right now, I have $495,000 worth of deals open in my pipeline, represented by 5 opportunities. And if I swipe up a little bit more, I can see some more detail. 3 of those opportunities represent $95,000 in stage 1 or step 1 of my sales process, while there are other ones, for example, one is in step 2 and another one is in step 4. In addition to showing you the live pipeline, if you look at the top of the screen in the upper right side, you can also look at those deals that are already put into the archive. And remember, archive represents deals that have been set aside, maybe deals that have been lost, or deals that have already been won, but you decided to archive them. And so what we have is we have 2, in step 2 of your sales process, we have 4 opportunities in the entire archive, and 2 of those are represented as lost opportunities, while 2 of them are already won. So this gives you a high-level overview of when you're losing deals, and one opportunity was lost when it was in step 1 of your sales process, and another one was lost when you were in step 2 of your sales process. And that's why you can see a very small gray bar in step 1, a larger one in step 2, because of the size of those deals. Thank you so much for joining me in today's Pipeliner CRM mobile app training.